Welcome back to Agent IQ. In this video, we are walking through how to read and act on your scan findings and how the platform helps you turn those findings into a clear remediation plan. Once a scan completes, the finding panel appears on your dashboard. Let's break it down tab by tab. The first thing you will notice is the tab header findings. The number is the total finding count for this scan. Everything starts here. At the top of the tab is the filter bar. You have three ways to narrow down. A search field, type any keyword and it filters across titles, description and recommendation in real time. Severity pill, all critical, high, medium, low, each with a live count so you can see at a glance how many critical issues are waiting. Category pills, dynamically generated from your findings. Categories like security, performance, automation, governance, data, and Apex code. When a filter is active, you will see a count like 12 of 47. So you always know you're working with a filtered view. Hit clear filters to reset. Findings are grouped by category using expandable sections. Each section header shows the category name, total count, and mini badges showing how many critical, high, and medium findings are inside before you even open the tabs. Click any findings to expand it. You will see three things. What this means: a plain English explanation of the problem and why it matters in a Salesforce context. Recommendation, the specific action to take. Agent IQ doesn't just flag issues, it tells you what to do about them. And if the impact simulator is available for your org, you will see a simulate impact button. Clicking it preloads the impact simulator with that findings context so you can see what would break downstream before you make any change in production. Now, severity levels, every finding is color coded. Red equal to critical, active risk right now, think SOQL inside a loop, modify all data on a permission set, or a public read write org by default on a sensitive object. Orange equals high, serious, should be fixed before it becomes an incident. Yellow is medium, plan it into your next sprint. Green, slow, it's routine housekeeping. The second tab is the health scorecard. The tab label shows how many scoring categories exist. For example, health scorecard 6. At the top is a summary banner. If everything is healthy, you will see a green banner. All 6 categories are healthy. If any category needs attention, it tells you exactly how many. Below the banner, each scoring category has its own card. Apex code quality, automation, data architecture, security, performance, and governance. Each card shows the numeric score from 0 to 100. Color coded. A status label, healthy, approaching target, elevated risk, or critical risk. A progress bar that fills to match the score. Here's how to read the score. 80 and above means your org is healthy, and color green represents that healthy status. 60 to 79 means your org is approaching the target. It's represented by yellow color, and that means it needs minor adjustment. Score 40 to 59 mean that your org is at elevated risk and is represented by an orange color. This means improvement needed to meet standards. And if your score is below 40, that means your org is at critical risk and is represented by a red color, which means you have to act immediately. For any category that isn't healthy, you will see a simulate button. Tap it to open the impact simulator scope to that org so you can explore what's driving the low score. The remediation tab is your action plan. Instead of showing raw findings, Agent IQ gives you a ranked priority list ordered by the biggest impact you can make with the least effort. Each item shows its rank and severity, the projected score improvement if you fix it, so you can see exactly how your health scorecard will move, an effort estimate in hours, and the specific recommendation for how to fix it. Use this tab when you are planning your next sprint, making the case to leadership for technical debt work. The combination of projected score, impact, and effort hours help you prioritize high leverage fixes first. To recap, use the Finding tab to dig into the details of individual issues, the Health scorecard for a quick pulse check on each domain, and the Remediation tab to build your action plan. Filter by severity and category to focus on your team's attentions, and use the impact simulator before making changes to understand downstream effects. In the next video, we'll walk through how to run a deep scan for per class Apex complexity analysis. Thanks for watching.